Welcome peeps, welcome back to another video. Today we're getting into some brows, baby. Yep, this is a brow tutorial. This is a video showing you how I do my brows. So we're gonna take Colourpop's Precision Brow Pencil in the shade Black and Brown, and we're gonna use that to fill in my brows. So my brows were already done. I usually get them threaded. So all I'm doing is brushing my hairs up in how I want it to look. And then we're gonna use the pencil to fill in any empty spaces, just to give my brow some life, because I clearly have none. Well, I have a little bit, but you know, y'all can see it. Y'all see how it looks. So yeah, I'm just brushing my brow hairs up and being silly. And now we're about to fill in brows. I'm lightly stroking some fake hairs in between any empty spaces, and extending my brows just a little bit more in the front. And we're just gonna fill it in, give it a nice shape and make it look more bold, just a bit more stand out. And before we move on to the next step, I usually try to keep my brows as natural looking as possible, so I don't necessarily do anything harsh or any lines underneath much. If I do lines, it's just to use as a guide, I should say, excuse me, and then I'll brush it out, unless they are not done and I have to go in a little bit extra just to make them look more cleaned. But when they are done, all I do is just fill them in how I want them to look and then clean it up afterwards. So this is basically what I'm doing. I could do an updated video of my brows when it's not done and I have to do all those extra necessary steps and show you guys. If you want, just let me know. So we're just filling in the brows, baby. Fill it in, fill it in. I said feel or fill. Girl, shut up. You don't even know what you're talking about. Okay. So right now I'm just brushing out the front of my brows because I like the front to be a little faded, more so. I don't like it to be as how do I put this? I like my brows to look a little bit more faded in the front. I don't know. I'm explaining it better. I'm sorry. Don't judge me, y'all. Ooh, I like you like that. You feel me? That brow is always a good brow. And then when we get to this baby over here, she be working my last nerve. So she might come out nice or she might not. See, I have to pray about it. Because like I said, she be working my nerves. So we're just going to fill her in. Even though I already know she ain't going to cooperate like the one on the other side. But it's cool. Because, you know, they're sisters. They're not twins. They're not identical. They don't do telekinesis and none of that shit. They're just there. They say what up to each other and they talk and giggle here and there. And that's it. 2 different people, y'all. So I'm just gonna fill that in, and then we gonna move on to the next step. Okay. Girl, why you so delicate? like so. Brows coming together, you feel me? Oh yeah, I thought I was gone. No, I'm still here. Still here, girl. I'm still right here. Okay. And now we're all filled in. Yeah, see that? We're getting there. So now we're about to clean it up. Yes, that's setting powder. I'm taking my Milani translucent banana and I'm gonna clean up my brows. This is how I usually clean my brows up. I will take the little excess setting powder that be on my beauty blender and just go under it and above it a little bit and clean them up. But this time I decided to use a brush to be a little bit more precise. I don't usually clean my brows out with concealer. I only do that if they're not done, if I haven't gotten them threaded in a while and they're grown out too much and I have to, like, you know, cover those extra hairs. But when they are done, I clean it up with concealer, not concealer, my bad, with powder, because I like it better that way. I don't like the concealer look. Don't know why, I just don't. It's just my preference. I like to clean up with powder so it looks clean. It still looks, you know, done, but not like it's done. It gives me that, like, that natural look done, if you know what I mean. Like, that's just how I like it. So I'm just using that to clean it up, and it's also setting underneath my brows and above my brows because I do my brows after I do my foundation. So you see that? I like it like that, and I'm just gonna do it to the other side as well. Like that. So you see what I mean? That natural clean look. And I'm just gonna brush off the excess powder off my face. Then we're gonna move on to the next step. Feeling myself, as always. My crooked ass brows. Girl, stop it. But they still cute though. Regular degular. And now we're gonna set them. I'm taking my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Mascara to set my brows in place, and it also has a tint, so it adds a little bit more color in case it's any patchiness in my brows. So I like to use it to set my brows. Go set them bad boys up delicately, of course. Ooh, my nose looks so highlighted, y'all, and there's no highlighter on my face, like nothing. That chicken grease peeking through, you feel me? Got me looking popping over there. At least it comes in handy, I guess. Let me stop. This is not what this video is about. So yeah, I'm just gonna set those bad boys so they could last throughout the day, the night, whatever time it is. Ooh, edges. Come through, baby hairs. And now we're gonna highlight, and I'm taking my European Wax Thinner highlighter stick. Yes, I bought this from European Wax Thinner. You heard right. They sell brow products. And I'm just gonna take that and add a nice little highlight under my brows. Nothing too heavy, nothing too crazy. You will definitely have to use a stick directly on your brows and not really your brush, because it wasn't really showing much when I try to put it on the brush first. But it's cool. I wasn't trying to put too much. It's still a good highlighter stick for my underbrow. If I really wanted to intensify it, I could. And then I'm just going over it again with some setting powder. Clean up a bit more. And then we're basically done, y'all. We reached the finish line. We are finito. Get into them brows, baby. Just like that. Just natural, just cute, simple, regular, degular. I hope y'all liked this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what y'all think down below. Ooh, girl, you cute. Girls popping, whatever. Thank you guys for stopping by. And I hope I see you again in my next upload. Stay blessed and stay true to you. See y'all.